Hi everyone, my name is Bernadette Dahilig Pingue, and I'm in 4-2. When I was in first year, I'm in section 1, and then second year, section 2, and then third year, section 1, and fourth year, section 2. I'm so grateful and privileged that Hanako-san asked me to give you a message regarding my journey in Ramona Bansenia High School. And I'm so proud to be an Abansenian. So, 50 years. Amazing. What an amazing golden years anniversary. Can you believe it, guys? 50 years. We survived high school. And somehow we survived 5 decades too. Wow. It feels like yesterday when we were just in high school, having laughters, having sokulitan, having, unruly, I should have said, because I know I myself sometimes I'm really unruly during the times. And I know in high school, maybe some of you met your husband, met your wife in high school. Me, I met my first boyfriend there. And maybe your first crush, your first love. That's where, we have our crushes. Ang dami kong crush noon. Yung mga good looking. and it was really fun. As I've said, it was fun to be in high school. And I remember that before then, bullying is really rampant. Because we don't know by then that we made jokes to some of our classmates, to some of, in other sections, but we don't know yet what is bullying. But now we know. So back then also that we have that kind of wherein when there's a test or a quiz, you ask other section. I remember that. I ask other section because they have their test and quiz ahead of our section. So we asked tips from them. So that's where it started, having getting along, started, being friends with them. So I remember those special times. And the laughter in the hallways, even pinapagalitan na tayo ng mga teachers natin or we don't care as long as we can have fun. And also, I remember also that, the guidance counselor, because we're wearing short skirt. So I remember those, and I remember that I don't know that if that Mr. Bakiran who pulled out my sleeve because I'm folding it when I'm wearing that the one that we used, the fatigue one. I don't know what you call it now. So I remember those. And look at us now. We live full lives. The laughter, our careers, the families that we have right now, the adventures, the ups and downs. We've learned that life, it doesn't always follow a plan we had at 17. When we are 17, we don't care. as long as we will have fun. And thank God and goodness that we had those as a good memories. And what a beautiful is that after 50 years, we can still come together and feel that connection. The jokes are easier. The conversations are deeper. And thankfully, the curfews are gone. Of course, as we celebrate, we also take a heartfelt moment to remember our classmates and teachers who are no longer with us. They were part of our story, part of our laughter, part of our growing up. Though they aren't here physically, they remain in our memories and in our hearts. If they were here today, they probably be laughing right along with us or reminding us to behave. Thank you again and cheers to our 50th golden anniversary. May God bless us all. Have fun, guys. Have fun.